So a question I often get asked and often think myself is, can my allotment achieve self-sufficiency for our family? The simple answer is possibly. However, what we're going to do is make the most of what we've got and maximise our harvest. So I'm going to do the following, which might help you. Ensure I have crops that can follow on from one another. Ensure I create my own seeds. Grow all year round to make sure we're maximising our space. Grow in different ways, i.e. vertical or in hanging baskets, etc. Make sure my crops are protected and have structures that can be used all year round, so I can change the netting to make it a mini greenhouse or protect it from the sun. And use the paths in between my beds in unique ways, such as for compost, strawberries, etc. to make sure it's good. And the main thing really is planning. I need to make sure I plan ahead and make sure I'm ready.